I need y'all to subscribe to JHFOE TV now, cause he dropping fire content and y'all missing out.
What it is, YouTube, it's your boy JHFOE TV. We're going to show you how to unbox and activate this Bpmio robot vacuum cleaner. First and foremost, y'all, hit the like button, hit the share, hit the follow, and subscribe. Repost this to all your platforms. I don't care if it's Facebook, whatever. I need you to repost this, and we're going to unbox this and see what it do and do what it do with it, okay? But y'all make sure y'all hit that like, share, and subscribe. Y'all know I'm going to always keep y'all with the latest and the greatest stuff, okay? Y'all go get this right now. Shout out to everybody. Bpmio robot vacuum cleaner. Let's do it. Okay, first thing first, y'all. You got to use that scan code right there to download it. You see the scan code right there? You use it and download it on your Android. Yep, Android or your iPhone. Apple Store or your Android, either or. Once you download it, then you take your next step, okay? Your next step is reading what you're supposed to do and activating it, hooking it up. We're going to do that right now in the next part of this video. Y'all hit the like button. Let's do it. Long story short, y'all, we here. We got everything we need to do this, y'all. So we're going to do this together. Y'all lock in, and it's gonna be difficult. I ain't saying it's gonna be easy, because I'm new to this too. So one step at a time as we figure this out, chat. Y'all work with me. Oh my goodness, this is heavy. This is heavy, chat. This is heavy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Okay. Quick installation guide, okay. Let's see this, okay. Quick installation guide. This is remove before using. Okay, remove before using. Okay. What is this? Click. What do you mean click? See? Charging a little bit. Let's look at these instructions, y'all. Let's start with these instructions. Okay, let's figure out where we need to go to start. Introduction, installation, activation. Set installation, activation. Please turn off the wires and read the file. Okay, did that already. Okay. It's like you robot. Wait. Okay, there we go. Remove the stick stripes. Install the side brush. Okay, remove the stripes. Okay, remove the stripes. You remove the stripes, YouTube, hit the like. Install the side brush. Align the brush with the corresponding holes. Align the brush with the corresponding holes. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Nope. I think this is going like this. Okay, that's going like that. Okay. Line the brush, okay. I did that. I lined the brush. Connect the adapter to the charging base and arrange the power cable. Oh, I think that's it. Plug it in. It's gonna be a long one, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. I promise you that. We're not gonna play. We're gonna make sure we handle business. We ain't gonna play. We're gonna make sure we handle it. Hey, it's plugged in. Place the charging base in the proper position on the floor for charging. Okay. For charging, okay. We're gonna place it right here. And we're gonna put this stuff. Put this right here. Stretch it right here. Boom. YouTube, hit that like button. We're getting something. You gotta move the charging base. And keep it away from direct sunlight. And keep it away from direct sunlight. Power on, charging. Power on. Press and hold power on when the indicator is illuminated. Place the machine on the base for charging. Wait pop to start charging. That's number 6. Power on. Okay. So power on. It says power on, right? That's what I'm gonna do. Press and hold power on. When the indicator is illuminated, place the machine to the base for charging. The voice prompt to start charging indicates charging.
Power on.